Your Novagrade double gripper phone adapter will come with the following items. One adapter constructed of machined aluminum and injection molded plastic, and 6 plastic compression rings to fit eyepiece diameters from 39 through 60.75 millimeters. For setting up your adapter, first find the compression ring that fits your eyepiece. To do this, select the smallest size that will slide over the diameter of your eyepiece by doing the following. Start by checking to see if the smallest size fits. This is the one that ships installed. Insert the collar assembly onto your eyepiece. If it is not large enough to fully slide over the eyepiece, go to the next size up. To do this, unscrew the metal collar. Place the next larger size plastic compression ring into the metal collar. Be sure to place the thicker side in first. Repeat this process until finding the smallest size that will fit over your eyepiece. The 2 C-shaped compression rings work in a similar fashion. The one without the ribs is the largest size compression ring available. If you need a smaller size compression ring than came with the unit, please order our small compression ring set, which is primarily for microscope use. After finding the correct size, thread the collar assembly onto the rest of the adapter by turning the collar approximately 1 full turn. Now slide the whole adapter back onto the scope until it touches the face of the eyepiece. Tighten the collar until the adapter is securely attached to the eyepiece. If you have the correct compression ring installed, this should be extremely secure. To insert and align your phone in the adapter, move the grippers to leave enough finger spacing. This allows you to easily insert and remove your phone. Also, be sure to avoid any buttons along the side of your phone by loosening the 2 knobs on the back of the unit and positioning the grippers as needed. After making your adjustments, retighten both knobs. Insert your phone by dropping one edge of it into the left spring-loaded side of the unit and then rotating the other side of the phone down and into the unit. Turn the unit over and loosen both tightening knobs. Move the main metal rail side to side and up and down as needed so the hole in the adapter is centered with the camera. For phones with more than one camera, you only need to center the adapter over the wide-angle camera lens. If the camera is not perfectly centered, you can fine-tune the position as needed after mounting it to the eyepiece. After making your adjustments, retighten both knobs. Rotate the stop at the top of the adapter so it touches the top of the phone. This is used for positioning the phone in the up and down direction when you reinsert your phone after the initial setup. In order to attach the adapter to your eyepiece, typically you will want to twist the eye cups all the way in on your optics. Insert the adapter onto the eyepiece until it sits flush with the metal inside face of the unit. Turn the metal ring until the compression ring grips the eyepiece firmly. You are now ready to Digiscope. When you are done Digiscoping for the day, loosen the metal ring until the adapter slides off your eyepiece. Then remove the phone from the adapter by grasping the adapter in your left hand with thumb and fingers on the Novagrade logo. With your right hand, grab the phone between the grippers, pull the phone towards you while rotating the phone up and out.